High precision board position mechanism. Fiducial recognition vision camera. Flux detection sensor. Microjet flux with different types of flux dot sizes. Soldering top 3 channel heater. PCB temperature measurement with a non-contact infrared thermometer. Flow height adjustment device. New strategically designed nozzle cleaning device. Solder level check and automatic solder wire supply. Automatic temperature adjustment device. User-friendly interface. Easy to teach a program with a vision camera. Options. Vision camera flow height adjustment device. MES management. Nitrogen purity indicator. Flux detection sensor.